Ever wondered why you recognize brands like Apple, Nike, or your favorite soda at a glance? It's all thanks to trademarks. Today, we'll show you how to secure your own trademark to safeguard your brilliant ideas. This video will guide you through each step. Let's get started. Are trademark troubles stressing you out? Relax, we've got your back. Malay Law is here to make it easy for you. We'll take care of the paperwork while you chase your dream. Click the link in the description for a free consultation and trademark your stress away. What's a trademark and why do you need one? First things first, what's a trademark? Well, it's a symbol, word, or phrase that identifies your product or service as unique, your brand's DNA, if you will. Think about the Nike swoosh, the golden arches of McDonald's, or even the friendly face of Apple. These are all trademarks that instantly tell you which company they represent. Now, why do you need a trademark? Imagine you've spent years building your business, and suddenly, someone else starts using your brand name or logo. That's a recipe for confusion and potential disaster. A registered trademark acts as a legal shield, protecting your brand from imposters and copycats. It gives you exclusive rights to use your mark and defend it in court if necessary. Plus, it's a valuable asset that can boost your brand's value over time. Choosing a unique trademark. Your trademark should be as unique as you are. It can be a word, a phrase, a symbol, or a combination of these. But here's the catch: it can't be something too generic or commonly used in your industry. The more unique, the better. So, brainstorm and come up with something that truly represents your brand. Next up, conduct a trademark search. This is like detective work to ensure no one else is using a similar mark in your industry. You can use online databases, like the USPTO's website, to check for existing trademarks. Trust me, you don't want legal battles down the road because your mark is too similar to someone else's. 3. Choose your filing basis. When applying for a trademark, you'll need to choose a filing basis. There are two primary options. Intent to use is for those who plan to use the mark in the future. Use in commerce is for those who are already using the mark in connection with their products or services. Your choice depends on where your business is at. 4. The application process. Alright, let's dive into the trademark application process. It's not as scary as it sounds, I promise. The USPTO, that's the United States Patent and Trademark Office, has got your back, and they offer an online tool called the Trademark Electronic Application System, or TEAS for short. Now, there are two options to choose from, TEAS Plus and TEAS Standard. TEAS Plus is the budget-friendly option at $250 per class, while TEAS Standard costs $350. TEAS Plus comes with a few more hoops to jump through, but TEAS Standard gives you some extra wiggle room. So, why the price difference? Well, both options require pretty much the same basic info. Think of it like the info you'd share with your lawyer if they were helping you out with this process. You'll need to give information on stuff like 1. Your name and where you're from, or your business details. 2. Who the USPTO should talk to, usually a lawyer. 3. A picture of your trademark, if it's more than just words. 4. The list of what your trademark stands for and which class it fits into. 5. The date when your trademark started doing its thing. Hold on to your hats, we're almost there. At the end, you'll sign a declaration. It's your promise that everything you've shared is 100% true and honest. But hold on, what's with these classes we mentioned? Well, trademark law is all about sorting stuff out. There are 45 distinct classes, each handling a specific bunch of goods or services. For example, Class 16 takes care of paper goods and printed matter, while Class 45 is all about the legal legals and other professional services. 5. Pay the application fee. Just like any official process, there's a fee involved. The cost may vary depending on your filing basis and the number of categories your mark falls under. Be prepared to budget for this. It's an investment in protecting your brand, so it's worth it. After submitting your application and paying the fee, it's time to play the waiting game. The USPTO will review your application, and this process can take several months. Be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a trademark application. 6. The examination phase. Congratulations! Your application has passed the initial review. Now, let's talk about what happens during the examination phase. Sometimes, the USPTO may issue what's called an office action. This is like a friendly note from them, asking for more information or clarification about your application. Don't worry, this is common, and you can work with your attorney to respond appropriately. During the opposition period, your trademark application is published in the USPTO's official gazette for public review. Others who believe your mark might harm their interests have a chance to oppose it. If someone opposes your trademark, it can lead to a legal battle, so be prepared. If everything goes smoothly and there are no oppositions or issues, your trademark will be allowed. Congratulations, you're almost there. You will receive a registration certificate, and your mark is officially registered. 7. Post-registration maintenance. Your trademark journey doesn't end once it's registered. You have to maintain and protect it. You must use your trademark consistently to keep it active and valid. In the U.S., you need to file a declaration of use between the 5th and 6th year of registration. Use it or lose it. Trademarks don't last forever. In the U.S., you'll need to renew your trademark between the 9th and 10th year after registration, and then every 10 years after that. Keep those dates in mind, and make sure you renew on time. 8. Enforcing your trademark rights. Now, let's talk about the superhero aspect of your trademark, enforcing your rights. Regularly monitor the market to ensure no one is using a similar mark that could cause confusion among consumers. If you spot an infringement, consult with your attorney on the best course of action. If someone is using your trademark without permission, don't hesitate to take legal action. Your trademark is your asset, and you have the right to protect it. Consult with your attorney to explore options like cease and desist letters, negotiations, or even lawsuits if necessary. 9. International trademark registration. Last but not least, let's touch on international trademark registration briefly. If you plan to expand your business internationally, consider the Madrid Protocol. It's an international treaty that allows you to protect your trademark in multiple countries with a single application. It simplifies the process and can save you time and money. And there you have it, folks, the complete guide on how to register a trademark in 2023. It might seem like a daunting process, but remember, your trademark is the heart and soul of your brand, and protecting it is worth every effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us today, and I'll catch you in the next video.